All right, recording now. So we're going to kind of jump around a little bit. We're going to jump down to salary and then go back up for these two. We'll do piecework a different day. I think we talked about this yesterday, right? The difference between being paid hourly and being paid with a salary. So what is being paid with a salary? Sawyer.
You're paid by the job.
Right. So you are paid a certain amount to do a job. The hours spent don't factor in. So essentially, it doesn't matter how many hours it takes you to do a job. All that matters is if you do it or not. All right, anybody know what it means if you get paid bi-weekly? Sorry.
Would that be every week or every other week?
Every other week. So you are paid every other week. How many paychecks would you get a year then? Anybody know how many weeks are in a year?
52.
I'm going to write it down right here. 52 weeks in a year. So if you get paid every other week, how many paychecks do you get a year? 26 paychecks a year. Raise your hand if you totally knew by heart that there are 52 weeks in a year. Like half of us. Okay. Semi-monthly, what do you think that means?
You get paid twice a month.
Twice a month.
Isn't that the same thing
It is not the same thing.
There's not 4 weeks in a month. There's like 4.5, isn't there? Or 5.
Right. So if you get paid twice a month, how many months do we have?
12.
12, and you get paid twice a month. So how many paychecks do you get a year? 24 paychecks a year.
So which one's better?
It doesn't matter. It's not like you get paid less. You get paid your total salary. So like, let's say you get paid $50,000 a year, okay? So look up. Let's say you get paid $50,000 a year, and I divide by 26, because I get paid 26 times. That means each paycheck I get $1,923, right? But if instead I get paid $50,000 a year, and I get paid 24 times, my paycheck is a little higher, $2,083, but I also get paid not as many times. Do you see what I mean? So you're still making $50,000 a year no matter what. It just changes the amount of your paycheck.
So if you think you're rich.
Yes. So you might think that you're getting more money with this, but really you're getting the exact same amount of money as the other one. You just don't get paid as many times as the other one. So it's kind of a mix. Okay. Today what we're going to be doing is calculating like how much you would make in different jobs and comparing them. By monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, depends on your job. Raise your hand if you have a job that pays you.
Like, could it be like a summer job or?
Sure. How often do you get paid?
Once a week usually.
Once a week? How often do you get paid?
Anywhere from 3 weeks to once every 2 months.
Oh, wow. So
It's
like,
just kind of whenever.
kind of a big like,
I don't
sum.
got no bills, so I don't really
Right,
care.
fair.
Usually every
Every other week, anybody over here have a job? Okay.
20.
Hold on.
Yes, I am.
I don't know.
You don't have that?
You don't have one?
Okay.
Have one.
So we're gonna try a few of these together, like normal. Do you like that I always try a few of them with you? Yeah? Okay. Okay. let's try number. Okay, sure. We'll try number 5. All right. So this is your paycheck. This is how much you get paid, that $547.55 per paycheck. And if you get paid weekly, you get paid that every week. What does annual mean?
Yearly.
Yearly. So the question is, how much do you get paid yearly? If you don't have a calculator, go get one. So how do I figure out, how do I go from weekly pay to yearly pay? Renee?
You're gonna multiply 52 times 547.
I'm going to multiply this one by 52. Because there are 52 weeks in a year. 52, is it Samana? Samana? Is that right? Semanas in El Año. See? Okay, so 52 times 547.55. I got that you make sure you get a dollar sign in there, $28,472.60 a year. Do you multiply all of these by 52?
No, no, not.
No, you do not multiply all these by 52. What are you going to multiply the biweekly one by?
26.
26. What are you going to multiply the semi-monthly one by? 24. How about the monthly one? 12. All right, we're moving down to, let's do 11. No, let's do 12. All right. Number 12, I'm going to write on the side here my different jobs. Please don't be working on the other stuff and ignoring me right now. All right, for number 12, job A, you make $8.95 per hour for 40 hours a week, and the other job, you make this per year. So what would you guys like to do? How would you like to compare this? Do you want to compare it? I think we should compare it per year. Does that work for you guys?
Yeah.
So we're going to keep job B at $16,400. We know how much that one makes per year. How do I find out how much job A pays per year? Sawyer.
Start by doing how much he gets a week.
Okay, so 8.95 times what? 40 hours a week. So first we're going to do 8.95 times 40. So now we're at 358. I'm going to write per week so that we remember that that's per week. Now how do I find out how much it makes per year? Callie? Multiply it by 52. So now I'm going to take that 358 and multiply it by the 52 weeks in a year. And job A gets you $18,616 per year. So which one pays more? Job A pays more.